Are you ready to step into the future? 2025 is not just a new year, it will be something quite extraordinary for us all. The more prepared you are to make the right choices on your path, the better it will be. Join us for a special Astro College and IAA online lecture on Friday, January 10th, 2025 from 8 to 10 p.m. EST as we explore the astrological shifts that will define the year ahead. In this engaging session, astrologer Diane Trimbath will guide you through the significant astrological changes of 2025. As we say goodbye to the lifestyle we've known, we'll begin to build new structures from passionate ideas of what we want our future to hold. 2025 is a year of pioneering a new dream. If you can imagine it, you can create it. One of the major shifts this year is Pluto's move into Aquarius, following many transformative years in Capricorn. This marks a new era of change and innovation, affecting every aspect of our lives, from family and relationships to career and the world at large. Additionally, we'll explore Neptune's transition from its home sign of Pisces to the bold new energy of Aries. As Neptune crosses the starting point of the zodiac at 0 degrees Aries, this will bring about profound changes, sparking creativity and redefining dreams for the years ahead. In this lecture, Diane will review these major astrological influences and much more, giving you insight into the energetic shifts that 2025 has in store. You'll learn about the new opportunities and changes on the horizon and how they will affect you personally. To wrap up the lecture, Diane will provide a brief prediction of how the year ahead may unfold for you, as well as for all 12 sun signs. Whether you're curious about your love life, career, or personal growth, this session will offer valuable insights to guide you through the transformative energies of 2025. Don't miss out on this opportunity to gain clarity on the year ahead. Register now and get ready to pioneer a new dream.